If Clash Royale is stuck loading at 50%, it's usually due to internet issues, app problems, or outdated files. And here's how you can fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and restart the game. If you're running the Clash Royale application, go ahead and close this and restart it. You can also try checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try switching between them. Also try clearing the app cache for Android. So go ahead and open your settings, or you can just go ahead and tap and hold on to the Clash Royale application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. From here, scroll down and tap on storage. Then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And delete and reinstall Clash Royale from your App Store or Play Store, and make sure that your game is connected to Supercell ID or Google Play or Game Center to avoid losing progress. And ensure that your device has enough storage, as low storage can cause issues. You can also try checking for updates. Open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Clash Royale application. And if you see an update button instead of play, go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest version. And lastly, restart your phone or tablet, which can often resolve minor problems. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.